Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on Uber app. You will enter to settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Uber app and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Uber app, and you can update your app if you will find the update in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.